There are issues that I'm not satisfied with, Mr. Speaker. The first one is that my question related to 3 bus companies. I see a response only about one described as Guardian Company. Why so?
It didn't say Guardian Company, it said Guardian Angel.
A Guardian Angel Company.
Yes.
I would want Mr. Speaker to understand why only one of those, why the report is confined to only the Guardian Angel Company. Number 2, Mr. Speaker, which is more important, is that Section 20, subsection 2 of the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Control Act provides for forfeiture of the vessels involved in transportation of narcotic drugs. I have not heard from the committee what happened with the 3 motor vehicles that were originally impounded. And Mr. Speaker, for records, I wish to state that one of the individuals associated with the Guardian Angel Transport Company confronted me in a funeral in my constituency with goons telling me to leave him alone. And that is why I'm like, drug traffickers can kill. And I would want the committee, Mr. Speaker, to revisit the question, explain to Kenyans what happened with the 2 other companies that were impounded with suspected drugs, and more importantly, why Section 20, subsection 2 of the forfeiture proceedings of the Narcotic and Psychotropic Substances Control Act is not applying, or if it is applying, why we are not, as a parliament, not being informed. And Mr. Speaker, lastly, you had asked the committee to involve me when this investigation was being conducted with the relevant government agency. I was not able to attend because I was not invited in good time, because our children are using this transportation whenever going to and from school and colleges. And it is extremely important that the safety of our children is guaranteed. Who knows whether the epidemic of banning education institutions in this country is not associated with these drug traffics. I submit, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you.